Hi, welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Charlene Coutet. Today we're going to be making bread in a bread maker. Now the reason we do this is that sometimes we don't have the time to make things by hand. I have a family and we typically just put a bread on in the evening and we have fresh bread in the morning. So I'm going to show you how we are going to do this. So our ingredients are 3/4 cup of applesauce, 1 1/4 cup of water, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, tablespoon of coconut sugar, 3 1/3 cups of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of gluten flour, and 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. Now I've given you them in that order because that's the order that we're going to put them into this pan. So we're going to start with our applesauce. That goes in first. Then we'll put in the water. It's important that you make sure that you put these things in order. And then we'll go with our salt. Next, the sugar. Then we'll put our flour in. Now, every bread maker is different, so you might find that you might need to adjust the recipe slightly depending on your particular bread maker. But this should give you a pretty decent recipe. We love this recipe at home. Then the gluten flour. Now I like to just kind of mix it in a little bit, help it out. And then I usually make just a little tiny well in the middle, and in goes the yeast and cover it up. And that's it. See how quick that was? That's how quickly you can have bread. The next thing we do is we just set it in the bread maker. Choose your setting and whatever loaf size you're choosing to do. This is for a pound loaf, 2-pound loaf, sorry. And press start. And that's it. And we're going to wait for 3 hours, 23 minutes, and then you'll hear a beep, and then we can take it out and see how we've done. Welcome back, and our bread maker has finished, and it has let us know with a beep. So we're going to take the bread out. Now you're going to need to use either some oven gloves or something so you don't burn your hands, because it's going to be hot in there. So let's lift this up, turn it. And there you have it, a wonderfully risen loaf of bread. Now you want to let it cool in the pan for maybe 5 minutes, and then you can use these to shake your bread out. And there you have it. Wonderful loaf of bread, minus all the effort.